When it comes to realizing a sustainable future, the verdict is clear. A global energy transition is needed. Fortunately, it's already underway, and many sectors will be powered directly by renewable electricity in the coming decades, reducing greenhouse gas emissions significantly. But for some sectors, like the maritime, aviation, and heavy industries, direct electrification simply isn't feasible, so a viable alternative to fossil fuels is needed.
All these sectors are highly energy intensive, and therefore energy efficiency matters.
The answer to this challenge lies in driving Power-to-X initiatives, with green hydrogen at the forefront of a modern energy revolution. Green hydrogen can power the carbon-neutral future, but maximizing its production efficiency requires two fundamental elements: renewable electricity and high-temperature electrolysis.
High-temperature electrolysis is the most efficient technology and therefore the perfect fit to help hard-to-abate sectors.
Haldor Topsoe's solid oxide electrolyzer cell enables maximum efficiency production of green hydrogen. The zero-emission electrolysis process, powered entirely by renewable energy, splits water into oxygen and hydrogen molecules. This provides an entirely carbon-free means of producing hydrogen for immediate use in various Power-to-X processes that supply the world with crucial chemicals and fuels. This breakthrough technology is the key to bridging the gap between hard-to-abate sectors and green energy.
High-temperature electrolysis, or hydrogen, is not really what matters here, but that is what facilitates the electrification of these hard-to-abate sectors. So ultimately, the world needs high-temperature electrolysis because the world needs to reach zero.